Hi friends, welcome to Bodhanapu Meena's channel. Today I am here with an interesting topic, how to face the jam session during the interview phase where everyone feels nervous to face this round. After watching this video, you will get confidence to face this round. So friends, kindly subscribe, share and like my channel and press the bell button for further notifications. What is jam session? In jam session, the interviewees are allowed to speak regarding a particular topic for 1 minute and the interviewer will select the right candidate for further rounds if any. And here, the candidate may be allowed to speak regarding the candidate's own topic or the interviewer may select a topic for the candidate to speak out. It depends on the interviewer. Now let us see what are the things the interviewers will evaluate in jam session. So the first and foremost one is they will look for communication skills. Here, the interviewer will evaluate how far the individual is comfortable in his flow of speech and how far he is capable of projecting his thoughts clearly. And the next one is grammar. Here the candidates or individuals should use the language without any grammatical errors. And grammar mistakes up to 5% are considered or acceptable. And the third one is flow of thoughts. The interviewer will see how far the thoughts or ideas are connected and whether they are following the correct sequence or not. And the next one is current affairs or current topics. One should be aware of the happenings around us. And most of our jam topics are based on current situations or burning questions. So if you have clear idea of current situations, you can do it well. The next one is confidence. So whatever you speak with confidence. Now let us see what should be the structure of jam topic. The jam topic should have a topic sentence, supporting sentences and conclusion. Let us start with the topic sentence. As we have discussed earlier, the topic may be left to the candidate's choice or may be given by the interviewer itself. If the topic is left to your own choice, then select an appropriate topic to speak out. Whatever or whichever is comfortable and whichever is confident for you to speak out. And if the topic is given by the interviewer, don't be nervous or panic and take a few seconds to get the clues about the topic and start the topic in a unique way. For example, instead of speaking about the social media, which is a vague one, you can use the topic sentence as impact of social media on youth. Or instead of lockdown, you can start it as effect of lockdown on financial systems. And next is supporting sentences. Give the supporting sentences based on the facts which you have read in books or magazines or newspapers. And quote few examples based on your experiences or other experiences you have witnessed. And next one is conclusion. In the conclusion, you can give your decision, your advices, etc. And you can use the proverbs for giving conclusion. And if you are using the proverbs in giving conclusion, it should be used in a right way, or else you will be fooled. If you are speaking a jam topic, follow PTR. P means pace, T stands for tone, and R for rhythm. Pace means flow of speech. The flow of speech should be in a medium range. While you are speaking, the speech should not be too fast as a hair, as we cannot leave an impression of what we are speaking to the audience. and it should not be too slow like a tortoise as it induces sleep, or it will be like a lullaby. The flow of speech should be in a normal range so that everyone can follow. Next is tone. It is not about what you speak, but the way you speak matters a lot. So adjust the tone to the emotions of your speech. Even you have to control your volume of your speech based on your audience. If audience are less, then no need to raise your voice, and if your audience are more, or if you are in front of a large group of audience, then you have to raise your volume. Next one is rhythm. The speech should not be flattened as it gives boredom and it will be like a news reading but not expressing your ideas. And your speech should contain rise and fall of voice. So here this rise and fall of voice is called as intonation, and this intonation adds glamour to your speech and it attracts the attention of the interviewer. While you are speaking, do not follow HRT. H means hesitation, R means repetition, and D is deviation. Let us see the first one, hesitation. Do not hesitate to speak, and whatever you are speaking, speak with confidence and avoid using gap fillings like like that. And next is repetition. Do not repeat the same words or vocabulary or ideas or concepts. And if you are using the repeated words, it shows you are poor at your language. And try to speak the positive sentences while you are speaking. And a few words like auxiliary verbs, personal pronouns, and prepositions can be repeated. And let us see the next one, deviation. Don't deviate from your topic, and whatever you are about to speak, first arrange them in priority basis in your mind and then start to speak. Should speak clearly and to the point, and don't beat around the bush as they will see the quality of speech but not the quantity. Let us see the points to ponder while we are speaking jump topic. First one, start with a thank you note. It shows your concern towards the interviewer for giving you the opportunity to speak. The next one is, have a smile on your face. Friendly smile will tell the interviewer that you are an easygoing, enthusiastic and confident person. And do not have an excessive smile on your face. Excessive smile shows that you are nervous and you are having lack of confidence. The next one is maintain eye contact and have open body language. Your face is the index of mind, and the eyes are the windows through which we can read the mind. And open body language shows readiness and interest and comfortability. And next is follow KISS method. Here KISS means keep it short and simple. So whatever you are speaking, it should be very simple and avoid complexity. And the next one, have 5 to 6 topics beforehand. And this topic should be on current scenarios. You will be lucky if you were asked to speak on your own topic, then no need to search for topics and waste your valuable time. If you have topics beforehand, you can pick one out of them. The next one is leave your mark. Include the punchlines and proverbs wherever necessary so that you can leave your mark. Just remember the words of Pavan Kalyan, last punch manadaithe aa kikke verappa. So follow these tricks, friends. You can crack your jam session easily. All the best. I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and have a nice day.